Machine Sentry Next Generation. Top 10 new features. Interactive homepage. Customizable dashboards. Intuitive navigation. Waterfall display. Improved export function. Flexible inspection cycles. Advanced hierarchy. Multi-field update. Mobile friendly. New feature overview. Interactive homepage. A new homepage has been developed which includes a site list and a flexible dashboard. The site list can be filtered and searched for easy access. Sites can be bookmarked, so the sites you visit often can appear at the top of the list. Customizable dashboards. Dashboards are available at all levels of the tree and the homepage. Global, site-specific and personal dashboards can be created and viewed, and dashboard pages can be created, edited, deleted, hidden and promoted or demoted to and from global or system views. 30+ different widgets are currently available. Intuitive navigation. The system now detects the current language and can be configured to your local time zone. The system also detects if a user prefers dark mode and can default to accommodate. Vibration units can be configured for acceleration, velocity, displacement and frequency, and the system will perform the conversion. Waterfall display. Multiple spectra can now be displayed in a waterfall display and can be configured as desired, including display angle, height and rainbow spectra. The x-axis can be zoomed and different cursor modes are available, including standard, baseline, harmonic and sideband. Waterfalls can be switched between acceleration, velocity, displacement and impact acceleration. Improved export function. Assets, components and points can now be displayed in a tabular format. All the tables in the system are customizable, with visible fields, column width, column order, row order and filtering all available and savable as a personal view for easy access. Multiple personal views can be created, renamed and deleted, and quick search is available for all tables. All tables can be exported to XLSX, XLS, CSV, JSON and XML formats. These exports retain the current table display options. Flexible inspection cycles. Inspection lists have been simplified with the removal of inspection sets and the new ability for the inspection list to be configured with a repeat cycle. Items can be configured to occur at one or more cycles. Advanced hierarchy. An improved tree structure is now available. Areas can be variable depth, from 1 area to 5 levels deep compared to the fixed zone area of the current system. Areas can be assigned different icons which appear in the tree. Additional filters include root, lubricant and fixed sensor type. Most filters now allow multiple items to be queried. Multi-field update. Many of the grids in the system, including asset, component, point, action grids, allow multiple records to be selected, and key fields can be updated in bulk. Mobile friendly. How the Machine Sentry site displays across smaller form devices has been greatly improved, with a fully responsive page design. If you're an existing Machine Sentry user, you don't need to do anything. The system will automatically update, providing you with instant access to all of the new features. If you're new to Machine Sentry and want to find out how the Machine Sentry suite can be used to improve reliability throughout your site, get in touch to request a demo. Machine Sentry Next Generation.